Hi Martin.
I've got your brush.
Might take a while.
We get lost, we can get high, we got me gone.
Repainted. They've been taken off, and Martin's just added these little acorns to the top of the bridge. So yeah, more painting.
We've been painting quite a bit today. So first of all, this is where the wishing well sits, and that's it all nice and clean and painted up. And the gargoyles look quite happy. There's one hiding behind the tree. Oh look, and there's Percy. Hi Percy. Hello. We've finished the bridge as well. How cool is that? So now we can start on the pond makeover. So watch this space. Bye.